I'm Steve Sherman. Today we're going to show you how to use the remote hand wheel on the Milltronics Inspire Plus control. So from your front panel, when you press F3 hand wheel, you can grab your remote unit and the left knob will control which axis you're going to control. So as you turn the knob, you'll see each axis be highlighted in the green border, X, Y, or Z. So right now I have X active, and your feed rate is controlled by the times 1, 10, or 100 buttons. So if I choose times 100, that's the fastest feed rate. If I crank the hand wheel, X moves. And if I want to control Z, I'll just turn the left knob. Z is highlighted, and now I'm controlling Z. When you're done using it, make sure you turn it to off, which would be the 9 o'clock position on the hand wheel, and press escape to exit out of the hand wheel mode. And if you want to use the remote hand wheel with the door open, when you open the door and press F3 hand wheel, it's going to ask you for a protective passcode. And the machine shipped with the default code of 0000. Press enter. Now you'll be able to use the hand wheel with the doors open. So now we'll just use the hand wheel again. We'll set it to X, and you can see X is highlighted. We'll pick our feed rate, times 100. And now as we crank the hand wheel, we're able to set up the machine with the doors open. And when you're done, just make sure you shut it off, which would be the 9 o'clock position on the left knob. And escape out back to the main screen, and you're ready for your next step of your setup.